These items in the car will cost at least several $100s to go to the garage. But if you do it yourself, you can solve it for a few dollars. I'll teach you. First, if the throttle valve is dirty, don't go to the garage first. Open the cover and you can clean it yourself. Second, the gap in the machine cover is particularly large. Just open the cover and tighten the 2 rubber piers on the back counterclockwise. The hood will be restored like a new car. Third, the lens of the reversing mirror is broken. Just take a key and gently pry it from the bottom of the lens. You can remove the lens, then spend more than 10 yuan online. Buy a lens of the same model. Aim at the base of the reversing mirror and press it in gently to fix it. Fourth, the wiper cannot clean the glass. Just lift the wipers and hold the button. You can remove the old wiper blade by gently lifting it up. Then go online and spend a few bucks to buy a new wiper blade. Just plug it down and replace it. Fifth, there is a smell when the air conditioner is turned on. Open the passenger storage box, then press the little tongue and the storage box will fall down. There is a baffle here, which can be removed with a simple click. Pull out the air conditioning filter element inside and replace it directly. How have you learned it? Do you still go to the repair shop for maintenance?